Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Grafana server using script. This is my server information, IP address, operating system Ubuntu 18.04, RAM, CPU, disk space, service, Grafana. Checking my operating system and IP address, and then download my script from a script portal. Download successfully, set up permission, executable permission, and then run this script using command. Yes, welcome. Your operating system is Ubuntu 18.04. Now wait at least 2 or 5 minutes for installation process is successfully done. Yes, running installation process Grafana. Now download 58 MB. It will take 4 minutes. Yes, successfully download done. And now unzip Grafana zip file. This Grafana version is 8.0.2, and now running installation process. And add server. Yes, Grafana installation successfully done. Access URL, this is your IP address and port, username admin, password admin. Note, must be changed password after login. Access server IP address, admin and admin. Then change your password, new password, or you can skip this. New password, submit. Yes, successfully login. This is version is Grafana 8. This is latest version. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.